Hi kids, Digital Dad here. I am going to tell you how to parallel park. Put on your blinker. Don't let that asshole behind you creep up on you. Pull up beside the car in front of the space. Exactly beside them. Your back bumpers should be pretty much lined up. Cut the wheel all the way to the right and back up watching your right side view mirror. Stop backing up as soon as you can no longer see the car parked in the space behind you in your right mirror. Straighten the wheel out and back straight back until the front of your car can clear the back bumper of the front car. Cut the wheel all the way to the left and continue backing into the space. Once you're in the spot, straighten your wheel out and make sure you leave about equal room in front of and behind your car. You're awesome at parallel parking. If you need to get a bit closer to the curb, remember that each time you scoot forward or back you'll need to cut the wheel and straighten it out with each back and forth. If you don't do both, you're literally just retracing your own tracks. This method works for me every time. If you have a weird shaped car, then sorry, you're on your own. This is a good method to start with though. Want more Digital Dad? Subscribe and let's get started. See you soon and thanks for watching.